Car speakers are essential for delivering crystal clear sound, enhancing music clarity, bass depth, and an immersive in-car audio experience. My today's video is about top 5 best car speakers for crystal clear sound that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pioneer two-way speakers, these 6.5-inch car door speakers deliver an impressive 200W peak power handling, 25W nominal, with a 4 ohm impedance, providing a dynamic and high-quality audio experience for any vehicle. The two-way coaxial design integrates a woofer and tweeter, offering a balanced sound profile that covers the full frequency range, from deep lows to crisp highs. With a sensitivity rating of 88 dB, these speakers produce loud, clear, and distortion-free sound even at higher volumes, making every drive enjoyable. Designed with a standard 6.5-inch diameter, installation is straightforward and compatible with most car interiors, offering both performance and versatility. The traditional black finish adds a sleek, modern look, complementing any vehicle aesthetic without drawing unnecessary attention. Combining style, durability, and excellent sound quality, these speakers are perfect for drivers seeking an immersive audio experience with clarity, power, and reliability. Now our second product is Boss Audio Systems car door speakers. These car speakers are designed for precision audio performance with compact dimensions of 6.6 by 6.6 by 2.4 inches, making them versatile for most vehicle installations. Featuring a 4 ohm impedance, they provide reliable power handling and smooth integration with standard car audio systems. The mounting depth of 2.1 inches and 5.5-inch mounting hole ensure easy installation, while the lightweight 1.3 pounds per pair design adds convenience without compromising durability. The speakers deliver a frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, producing a balanced sound spectrum with clear highs and punchy mids. A sensitivity rating of 90 dB at 1 W/1 meter ensures loud, distortion-free audio even at lower power levels. Built with a poly injection cone, rubber surround, stamped basket, and 1-inch voice coil, these components work together to provide longevity, consistent performance, and enhanced sound clarity. Ideal for audiophiles seeking crisp, reliable, and immersive in-car audio, these speakers strike a perfect balance of durability and audio quality. Our third product is Orion 3-way coaxial car speakers. The Orion CB693 coaxial car speakers deliver powerful performance, handling up to 320W peak power and 80W RMS, providing rich, immersive sound for any driving experience. Featuring a 3-way speaker design, woofer, mid-range, and tweeter, these speakers ensure a harmonious balance across all frequencies. The woofer produces deep, punchy lows, while the tweeter delivers crisp, high-frequency clarity, resulting in distortion-free, well-rounded audio. Built with a butyl rubber surround and a precision polypropylene cone, the CB693 ensures durability and consistent sound quality over time. Its 4 ohm impedance and 88 dB sensitivity guarantee efficient power handling and loud, clear audio without strain. With a frequency response of 80 Hz, 20 kHz, these speakers reproduce every note with detail and depth. Designed for easy installation, the Orion CB693 is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, offering a universal fit and clearly marked connections. Upgrade your in-car audio effortlessly and enjoy crystal clear, immersive sound every time you drive. Now number 4, DS18 Gen X 4.6 coaxial speaker. The DS18 Gen X 4x6-inch two-way coaxial speakers are engineered for balanced and immersive in-car audio, combining a mid-range driver and a tweeter in a compact, efficient package. With a 25mm voice coil and 29mm mylar dome tweeter, these speakers deliver clear highs and well-defined mids, ensuring every track comes alive. Powering up to 135W peak and 45W RMS, the Gen X 4.6 provides robust sound capable of handling a wide range of audio without distortion, making it an excellent upgrade from stock car speakers. The inclusion of a removable protective cover ensures durability while maintaining audio clarity. DS18's innovative design philosophy is evident in this speaker line, delivering affordable, high-quality performance for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Whether upgrading your car's door speakers or enhancing your daily commute, the Gen X 4.6 strikes a perfect balance between value, performance, and modern engineering, offering an exceptional listening experience without breaking the bank. And our last choice is JVC two-way coaxial car speakers. The JVC CSJ 626.5-inch two-way car speakers are an exceptional upgrade for anyone looking to elevate their in-car audio. With 300 W peak and 30 W RMS power, these speakers deliver clear, dynamic sound, ensuring every note is crisp and immersive. The 6.5-inch mica cone combined with a 1 PI tweeter produces a balanced mix of mid-range and high frequencies, offering a rich listening experience for music lovers. Supporting a 35 Hz at 22 kHz frequency response, 92 dB sensitivity, and 4 ohm impedance, the CSJ 620 maintains detailed highs and smooth mids even at higher volumes. The black ABS composite grills, along with rubber and cloth diaphragms, ensure durability while withstanding daily wear and tear. Installation is straightforward thanks to the shallow January 23, 32-inch mounting depth and pre-arranged holes, while included extension cables, screws, and mounting tabs allow for minor custom modifications. JVC CSJ 620 speakers combine performance, durability, and ease of use, making them a perfect choice for upgrading your car's sound system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.